Mm. I'm so happy to be here with you. I woke up this morning with the sunlight shining through the window onto my face, and it began then. I do have an intention today to encourage creativity in my life, and that's what I would like to share with this video recording. Um, when I squinted my eyes this morning, looking towards the sunlight, I could see small little rainbow colors. You know, when you can see close up your own eyelashes, and the sunlight was giving these colors of gold and blue. And I looked then at my calendar of the day because you see, colors are taking my interest. And today is a purple day. Um, the field of um, amethyst purple, according to this cosmic calendar that I've come across through Almeen, this beautiful mystic and seer who shares the most amazing tools. And I use some of those every day. The colors particularly interest me. And what I'd like to do now with you is to share some of the painting that I'm going to do, and also some of the cleansing techniques. See, I'm at home a lot, and my job is to be here and make the place lovely for my family, and do creative things with the children, and settle into this lovely spot in Ireland. Um, Starting a garden again this year. So the inner work has taken my interest recently, and that's something that I'm keen to share. So inner cleansing can take place, take form in the kind of food you eat, the kind of, that's physical. And it's unbelievable how much is connected on the inside. I'm learning about how each organ responds to different foods. And then the connection with the elements, for example, okay? So if you see the organ of the kidney is a cleanses the blood. And the blood is very nourishing indeed, on many levels. The kidney is connected with the water element. The water purifies. Water is purifying, and it's also to do with flow, right? So if you relate to water from within yourself, it's the theme of flowing, which is where creativity comes in. And so just what I intend to do now is just to do a little painting, but let you know the conditions or the ingredients of this painting. So as I said, the color of today is, and for the next week, is amethyst purple, thus the purple clothing and beautiful purple flowers here. And I've got all these purple paints ready to work with. That kind of looks bluey purple, but it's got a metallic effect. There's some purple there. And this is just for the fun of it, amethyst. I got this as a present for Brendan at Christmas. And he shares it with everybody. It's here at the front door, so you get to see it. So amethyst is also cleansing. So amethyst has been known to assist you sort of to cleanse your body of things that really you don't need and shouldn't be there in the first place. Well, I don't like to use the word should, right? So it is a cleansing color, and the gemstone has also got properties of cleansing. So the ingredients for my painting include the color, and as I say, on this cosmic calendar, this is the week of amethyst. I'm looking at this here. And then the next color that we're coming into is a golden yellow. And each day also has a color. Today is yellow, specifically to do with intention. So it's a great day for getting, your heart's desires achieved or set in motion. And so I'm doing that. It's also a day for inner wise one or sage. So that to me, like we have a whole inner family, like the child, the nurturer, the sage, the warrior, and more. And today the sage is to do with not knowing. So that's a really nice one to do a painting with. Also on a Monday, it's traditionally the moon day. That's where the name comes from. And in kindergarten, we used to always do a painting on a Monday. And that's one of the traditions that I have kept up. I absolutely love. And so other ingredients, I'll show you this beautiful oil. You can't smell it, but it's called the water element. And the blend, I'm not sure. It has an orange fruit smell to it. So that's placed on 2 points to balance the masculine and the feminine through your acupressure points. I have other ones here that I absolutely love. Coming home to the self. And these two are favorites that I would place on in the morning as well, or whenever. It feels nice to rejuvenate, self-rejuvenate and regenerate, self-regeneration. So an awakening self-compassion. So I'll put a little bit of that on, awakening self-compassion. I did give this to somebody close to me, and I really think that it uplifted her spirits when she was healing, doing some getting over an illness. So let's just go into stillness. Take all those ingredients, not knowing, intention to be creative and to share that creativity, and clearing old rubbish, old conditioning, old things that are hanging around that you don't serve and are not for the highest good. So it's a great day for doing that. Balancing the masculine and feminine and the unknown. So I don't know. Oh yeah, the other thing I have here is this beautiful lemon representing the yellow. And that is something I've been drinking every morning. Hot lemon through a straw. These beautiful straws now are instead of the plastic ones. We have our lemon to cleanse. And I also did Belvaspata this morning, which is the healing of the heart. Beautiful swans are on the cover of the book over there. So what I'm going to do is go into silence and do some painting, and I hope you enjoy it, and perhaps we can do it together sometime, or even now.